So I'm very excited to share a new tip, asking Claude Code to use AWS CLI tool. So I don't know about you, in AWS, they just have so many different services. I never know where should I go to find the logs, check the ECS, check the database health. So even if I go CloudWatch, I often needed to think about where can I find logs? Do I go here? And I need to click this, go to the log management, and then there's the log group. I need to find the right one. I need to try to search to find maybe travel and backend. There's different Redis, there's a web task, things like that. Now, because Claude Code is very good at using CLI tools and AWS does have a CLI tools, why don't I just talk to Claude Code in plain English and ask Claude Code to help me check all of that? So now I'm going to start a Claude session. Can you use AWS CLI tool to show me the last 30 minutes of logs from ECS stage, travel, backend, web task from this profile? The reason for that is I have multiple AWS profiles. Nice. So it is finding the right service, found the cluster, fetch the last 30 minutes of logs. I'm going to proceed. No application level errors or warnings in the Windows suite. Let's ask a question about cost. How much did we spend on ECS last month? Proceed. Pretty sweet. We got a cost breakdown. You never need to go back to AWS. I don't even know how do you find cost from here. That's the quick tip for today.